Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find the seller information on Facebook Marketplace. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook. Now I'll go to Marketplace and over here you can find there are multiple options to buy. Now I'll click on this car. And now over here to find seller information, first of all scroll down and over here you can see here is seller information on the bottom right. Now you can just click on the seller details and over here we can find all the details of the seller. Also we can view their profile just by clicking over here to this view profile. Now you can see this is the seller which has listed the listing. So in this way, we can find all the seller details on Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.